You often see this type of question on your exam, but you make mistake because you don't know how to write balance CD, how to write balance PD, where to write income statement, where to write cash and bank. With this all you are messed up. Okay, so here on the question we see Logan is a trader who sells goods on credit. His financial year is 30 September. Okay. Logan has provided the following information. So here we see at 1st October 2022. Here we see inventory, trade receivables and other receivables. It is rent prepaid $820. So here we see for the year ended 30 September 2023, rent charges for the year, and we have here bank payment for rent. Okay, so these are the informations we have related to the rent payable account. Now we will record this all one by one. Okay, so rent payable, it is an expense account actually. Okay, so here the prepaid amount is given for this expense. Okay, so if there is a prepaid amount for the expense, we write balance BD. We write it as balance PD on the debit side. Okay, if there is outstanding expense, means rent outstanding, it will be a liability, so outstanding balance will be recorded as balance PD on the credit side. Okay, so here we don't have outstanding, we have prepaid. It is a current asset, so asset has a normal debit account, so we will write on the debit side. Okay, so the date was 2022 October 1st. Okay, so we will write here balance BD. So here on the question, the prepaid amount, okay, we see other receivable prepaid rent, it is 821 and date is 1st October 2022. Okay, so 820 we will write on the debit side. Okay, good. Then here on the question we have one more balance. It is for the year ended 30 September 2023. Rent charge for the year, it is $4,940. Rent charge for the year. So rent is an expense. Yeah, we take this expense in the income statement, and this is the amount $4,940. It is for the year. That means for this financial year, from 1st October 2022 to 30 September 2023. So this expense will be taken in the income statement. So how to transfer this amount to the income statement? What will be the journal entry? As it is an expense, so we will write income statement account to be debited and rent payable account to be credited. Okay, so rent payable account to be credited, so we will go to the credit side. Okay, and we will write this amount as income statement. Okay, so let us write here income statement. Okay, $4,940, and the date is the last day of the financial period, it is September 30. Okay, great. Then here on the question we have bank payment for rent. 1st September 2022, it is 2,460, and 1st June 2023, it is $2,490. Okay, so payment, follow the journal for the payment of rent. Rent is an expense, yeah, you know. So expense account to be debited means rent account to be debited and bank account to be credited. Okay, so rent is a nominal account, yeah. So expense will be debited and incomes gains will be credited. Here rent is an expense, so it is debited. And we paid money by bank, so bank is here credited. Why bank is credited? Because money has gone from the bank. Okay, bank is a current asset, asset is here decreasing. Decrease in asset will be credited, you know. So here bank rent is debited and bank account is credited. So rent is debited. As rent is debited, so we will write on the debit side. Okay, so date 1st 2023, to December 1st. Okay, there's two payment, one is 1st December, one is June. So here December 1st we will write bank, so it is $2,460. Okay, so there are two payments. Another one is 2023 June 1st. Okay, so same transaction we will write here bank. The amount is here different, $2,490. Okay, so these are the amounts given on the question. Now we will balance it. Okay, we will check what is the difference between debit and credit amounts. So how to balance it? We'll check which column is greater in terms of value, debit column or credit column. So here we see the debit column is greater. Yeah, so let us sum up on the debit column first. So here we get $5,770. Okay, so we will take the same amount to the opposite side, means on the credit side we will write here the same amount, $5,770. Okay, now if we subtract this amount from this total, we get here $830. Okay, this is the closing amount for rent. So we will write this amount as balance CD. Okay, CD stands for carry down. Yeah, so we will write this balance CD on the last of the financial period, which is 2023 September 30. Okay, so now we need to bring down the balance. Okay, so here on the credit side we carried down the balance, and we will bring down the balance on the opposite side. Okay, balance CD and BD cannot come on the same side. So here CD, now here on the opposite side below the total we will write balance BD, same amount, $830. Okay, we need to write the date. What will be the date here? Date will be the exactly first day of next financial period. Here our financial period ended on 30th September 2023, and next financial year will be started on 1st October 2023, right? So we need to write here 2023 October 1st. Okay, so this is how you need to prepare rent payable accounts. This is not complicated, just you need a little bit practice, then it will be very clear for you. Later, if you see this type of question on your exam, you will be able to answer 100% correctly.